There's no use in endlessly pondering questions like, why spirituality? Why food? Or why the world? Time is short and death is certain. It can come at age 5 or even at 10. So immerse yourself fully in the spiritual path without delay.
பட்ட பின்பே பாடம் சரியா